Hey everyone, welcome back to Top Products Review. Today, I'm going to show you the 10 best budget push mowers available on Amazon that give you great performance without breaking the bank. From cordless and gas-powered options to classic reel mowers, this list has something for every lawn size and style. I'll cover key features like cutting width, battery life, engine power, ease of use, and durability, so you know exactly which mower fits your needs. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Let's get mowing. The Senix 40V cordless mower delivers quiet, efficient performance without the hassle of gas. I love how easy it is to start and maneuver, making lawn care effortless. The 40V battery provides enough power to cover medium-sized lawns on a single charge. Cutting width is generous and height adjustments are simple with the lever system. The design is compact and lightweight, making storage convenient. The mower also comes with a grass collection bag for easy cleanup. If you're looking for a budget-friendly cordless mower that balances power, convenience, and reliability, the Senix 40V cordless mower is a solid choice for keeping your lawn neat with minimal effort. The Senix 20-inch gas mower offers reliable performance for small to medium lawns. I like how the 20-inch deck covers more area with fewer passes. The gas engine starts smoothly and delivers consistent power for even cutting. Height adjustments are easy to customize for your lawn preferences. It's durable yet lightweight enough to push comfortably. The mower includes a convenient grass collection bag, reducing cleanup time. If you prefer a budget-friendly gas option that doesn't compromise on performance, the Senix 20-inch gas mower is an excellent choice. It's easy to use, maintain, and provides a clean, even cut for everyday lawn care. The Greenworks 24V cordless mower is perfect for small lawns and tight spaces. I like how quiet it is compared to gas mowers, making it ideal for early morning or evening use. The 24V battery provides decent runtime, and the mower is easy to start with a simple push-button system. Height adjustments are smooth, and the cutting deck is compact for precise trimming around edges. Its lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver. The mower comes with a grass collection bag for hassle-free cleanup. If you want a compact, affordable, and eco-friendly mower for small yards, the Greenworks 24V cordless mower delivers convenience, practicality, and efficiency. The Fiskars 17-inch reel mower is a great manual option for environmentally conscious lawn owners. I love how simple and quiet it is. No batteries or gas required. The 17-inch cutting width is ideal for small lawns or tight spaces. Its sharp steel blades deliver a clean, precise cut that promotes healthy grass growth. The design is lightweight and easy to push, and height adjustments are quick and simple. Maintenance is minimal, making it a low-cost, low-effort choice. If you want an eco-friendly, quiet, and efficient manual mower for a small lawn, the Fiskars 17-inch reel mower provides a budget-friendly solution that's easy and effective. The Vevor 18-inch reel mower offers a reliable manual mowing solution. I like the 18-inch cutting width, which makes it faster to cover small to medium lawns. Its steel blades provide a clean, precise cut without tearing the grass. The lightweight frame is easy to push and maneuver, and height adjustments are straightforward. It's quiet, requires no fuel or electricity, and needs minimal maintenance. The durable build ensures long-lasting performance without a high price tag. If you want a budget-friendly, eco-conscious mower that's simple, effective, and easy to use, the Vevor 18-inch reel mower is a solid choice for maintaining a neat and healthy lawn. The 40V brushless cordless mower combines modern battery power with smooth operation. I enjoy how quickly it starts with just a push of a button, eliminating pull cords. The 40V brushless motor provides consistent cutting power and longer battery life compared to standard motors. Height adjustments are easy, and the cutting deck is wide enough to reduce mowing time. It's lightweight and easy to maneuver, and includes a grass collection bag to keep cleanup simple. If you want a budget-friendly cordless mower with reliable power, efficiency, and convenience, the 40V brushless cordless mower delivers excellent performance for everyday lawn care without the noise or hassle of gas. The Senix 21-inch gas mower is a powerful option for medium lawns. I like how the 21-inch deck allows fewer passes, saving time while providing a clean cut. The gas engine starts reliably and delivers strong power for thicker grass. Height adjustments are simple to operate, and the mower is sturdy yet manageable to push. It comes with a grass collection bag for easy maintenance. This mower is perfect for homeowners who want traditional gas power on a budget without sacrificing sacrificing quality. If you're looking for a dependable, affordable gas mower that balances power and ease of use, the Senix 21-inch gas mower is a great pick. It's easy to use, maintain, and provides a clean, even cut for everyday lawn care. The Sunjo 14-inch cordless mower is compact, lightweight, and easy to use. I like how maneuverable it is for small lawns or tight areas. The 14-inch cutting deck is ideal for quick trims, and the battery provides enough runtime for small yards. It starts effortlessly with a push-button system and offers simple height adjustments for uniform grass length. Its design is compact for easy storage, and cleanup is simple with the included collection bag. If you want a budget-friendly, portable, and efficient cordless mower for a small yard, the Sunjo 14-inch cordless mower delivers convenience, practicality, and quiet operation. The Works 40V cordless mower provides strong performance for medium-sized lawns. I enjoy how quiet and easy it is to operate compared to gas models. The 40V battery allows sufficient runtime for most yards, and the brushless motor ensures efficient cutting. Height adjustments are smooth, and the cutting deck is wide enough to reduce mowing time. It's lightweight and easy to maneuver, and includes a grass collection bag, simplifying cleanup. If you want a budget-friendly, cordless mower with solid power, efficiency, and low maintenance, the Works 40V cordless mower is a reliable choice for hassle-free lawn care for every day. The Craftsman V20 cordless mower delivers dependable performance for small to medium lawns. I like how easy it is to start and maneuver, thanks to the push-button system and lightweight design. The 20-inch cutting deck covers more area efficiently, and height adjustments are easy to customize. The battery provides sufficient runtime for routine mowing, and the mower comes with a collection bag for simple cleanup. If you're looking for a budget-friendly cordless mower that balances power, ease of use, and reliability, the Craftsman V20 cordless mower is an excellent everyday option for keeping your lawn neat and tidy. That wraps up my list of the best budget push mowers to keep your lawn looking great without overspending. I hope this guide helped you find the perfect mower for your yard, whether you prefer cordless, gas-powered, or manual reel mowers. Each mower on this list provides convenience, efficiency, and reliability for everyday lawn maintenance. Don't forget to check the links in the description for pricing and more details. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Top Products Review, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews.